Welcome to Python Basics, a complete journey from mastering Python fundamentals to creating interactive projects and exploring endless possibilities in coding. This course guides students through 3 exciting stages: Bootcamp, Game Design, and Sandbox, providing a comprehensive pathway to build confidence and proficiency in Python. In Bootcamp, students gain a solid understanding of Python fundamentals, from syntax and data structures to basic algorithms, laying the foundation for all future coding adventures. In Game Design, they apply these skills to create interactive games, learning about game mechanics, designing graphics, and integrating sound to turn their code into engaging digital experiences. In Sandbox, students bring their own ideas to life, working on self-driven projects where creativity meets code, and they gain the confidence to explore their potential as developers. By the end of the course, students will have built practical Python skills, strengthened problem-solving abilities, and gained the confidence to tackle any coding challenge. Join Python Basics today and let your students unlock their potential and embark on a journey to become the next generation of tech innovators.